In this video, we will review the Look series app and see if it's worth your time. So, Look series is a mobile app for watching short original drama series, including romance and thrillers. It features user-friendly interface with personalized recommendation. Its content focuses on short-form dramas like urban legends or urban romance, campus youth, and suspense. It is known for being a clean and intuitive navigation. It's generally aimed at quick mobile-friendly entertainment. So some important considerations for this, it is had some ads that might hinder your streaming experience. So the app may also collect user data, including app activity and device identifiers for you. So do take note of that as well. Overall, it have a lot of library options that you can watch for it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.